Kalifon Commercial Undercounter Freezer 7.4 cubic foot stainless steel. To say the Kalifon 7.4 cubic foot commercial undercounter freezer works as hard as its larger competitors is putting it mildly. This little aluminum box is constructed inside and out with quality stainless steel and packed with foamed polymer insulation to maintain perfect temperatures between -8 to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4 large, smooth-rolling casters are permanently mounted to the base of the cabinet, and the one solid removable shelf has a remarkable 155-pound load capacity. The insulated door comes with a quality lock and 2 keys, and swings open for easy access. The quality rubber seal around the perimeter of the door adheres to the cabinet upon closing the door to allow for a perfect airtight seal and protect the unit from temperature drops. Kalifon proudly passes the savings on to its customers and cuts no corners with the compressor and evaporator. The world-renowned Embraco compressor uses a mere 1/4 horsepower and is built using forward-thinking technology. Embraco only uses copper tubing for this condenser and evaporator to help maintain precision temperature stability and offer its customers 10-year no-part replacement guarantee. To help you maintain the perfect temperatures, the CAREL one-touch temperature controller lets you set the chill within 1 degree up or down. And unique to this mighty mini, programmable defrost frequencies let you defrost the product in the cabinet and not spoil your inventory. All Kalifon products are backed up by stellar customer support, are ETL certified, and come with a 3-year compressor warranty and 1-year parts and labor warranty. Now for some pros. Programmable defrost frequencies. Excellent customer support. Quality CAREL digital temperature controls. And the world-renowned Embraco compressor. Cons? There are none.